Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can basically um, get free Robux on Roblox. So it's not 100% foolproof because someone actually has to donate to you some Robux if you want it, but you're just going to search please donate. You're going to just play this game. Oh my god, I'm like lagging. And then claim like a booth. I'm just gonna claim this one. Press E. And then here they can basically donate the amount of passes that you have here. You can adjust the passes in your like website. I have like one here, I guess. Here you can edit the stand, you can adjust the color, you can add in hex code, etc. And people can donate to you if they want to. If they don't want to, obviously you can't get free Robux. But yeah, you can either do this. You can also do the like singing game. People can also donate you through that. But yeah, that is pretty much it. Really super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.